Orec's been a great company to work with from the dealer side. They're always willing to listen to us, and they're constantly developing new equipment and new ideas. And anytime we've tried to communicate with them, we talk to a person, you don't talk to a machine. It's been a really good working relationship. Orec has the Garden Quake tiller that's a full professional version of a rototiller. You get a heavier duty commercial engine, you get an overall heavier duty machine for commercial customers looking to do rototilling, or even the homeowner that just wants a better piece of equipment than you can find anywhere else. The Brush Rover is a ride-on brush mower that comes in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. It'll take down 2-inch saplings, almost any field grass you want. It'll be the most fun you have brush cutting any field. The Trailblazer Transporter is a great heavy-duty material mover. It'll go through commercial man doors, it'll go upstairs, it'll go over obstacles. You can haul up to 650 pounds. It's got expandable or removable sides to haul large pieces of lumber or any other material that you want to get onto the job site that you can't do with your big piece of equipment. The Cyclone Flail Mower is a walk-behind, track-driven flail mower that can take down 1 3/4 saplings and any other kind of field grass you want and mulch it up into nothing and keep on going. The Samurai is a traditional rotary brush cutter with added options like the front wheel to make it more maneuverable around trees and obstacles, and with the full commercial engine to make it more durable. We were first drawn to Orec by the Snow Rhino, and after we got it in, we tried it out and we saw how well it was built and how well it performed. We've expanded to the full line of Orec equipment for all 4 seasons. Speaking of the Snow Rhino, it's a zero-turn tracked stand-on snowplow designed for storefronts, sidewalks, small parking lots, and even driveways. And Orec also has a walk-behind snowplow, the Snow Bull. It's just a smaller sized version of the Rhino. You walk behind, it'll do almost any sidewalk and storefront you'd like to do. Some of the advantages of the Snow Bull: it's got a dual track drive. The blade can be angled at several different positions, and the side wings can be removed to be able to push snow even better one direction or the other. The track drive allows you to go almost anywhere with this piece of equipment. No slipping on ice, no problems on hills. It'll do anything.